Hello everyone, let's start our class. In this class, we will start the kanji with the kanji of katsu. Let's learn it. The kanji of katsu. So sansui hen, and then the kanji of shita, which is, it is read as katsu. It expresses the meaning of living, or sometimes also to be alive, or some action. So when there is a moment, there is action or some living, this kanji is used. So katsu represents living or alive or some action. First jukugo we'll learn is seikatsu. Which means lifestyle. If I say I'm leading a poor lifestyle, then watashi wa mazushi seikatsu o shite imasu. Shite imasu. So this is one of the example here. Seikatsu is lifestyle. Next example we can take is that person uses his money for the practical use or make his money works. So that person will be anohito. Anohito wa okane o katsuyo suru. Katsuyo suru. So this katsuyo means make a practical use. So that person makes a practical use of his money. So next kanji we'll do is katarimasu. First part is imasu. So this is to speak, and then this part will come. First reading is katarimasu, which means to narrate. Another reading is go, which is also the suffix for languages. Suppose we want to say Japanese language, we say Nihon go. So this will be Japanese language. If we want to say French language, it will be France go. So with country name plus go is the language of that country, French. If we want to say Spanish language, it will be Spain go. It will be Spanish. Another reading or katarimasu is also used for katari. Katari means story. Next kanji is the kanji of shi, which is also the kanji of samurai. first, second, third. The lower part is smaller than the upper horizontal line. So this kanji represents samurai or a warrior, a knight. So this kanji represent samurai. This is also the part of Shino Koso system. Earlier Japan used to have, Japanese society was divided into 4 classes, and that class was Shi, No, Ko, Sho. Shi was the samurai. It stands for samurai or the warrior class, where No was the farmers, Ko were the artisans, and Sho were the businessmen. So Japanese society was divided into 4 classes, and the topmost class was called samurai class. The warrior class was on the top of it. Next kanji we'll learn is the kanji of Shi. Again it is called, and it is used in Shigoto. First, second, third, fourth. So this is again, the reading is Shi, and it is used with Shigoto, which means work. So we can say that is a difficult task or job. That is a difficult job. It will be Sorewa muzukashi shigoto desu ne. Next is the kanji of Koto, or it is also called Ji. So this is how we make the kanji of Koto. And this only kanji comes with the kanji of Shigoto, which means work. So let's make a sentence. I am looking for a job. I am looking for work. It will be Watashi wa shigoto o sagashite imasu. Sagashimasu, the form. Sagashite imasu. Sagashimasu is to search for. Next, the other reading of this kanji is Ji. If we use this Ji with the kanji of fire, it will be Kaji, which means arson or fire. If we use this kanji with the kanji of Ie, it is again Kaji, and it will mean household chores. Next we can use this kanji with Buji, Bu and then G, which means safe. Next you can use is yoji. Yoji is some work, not official work, but some work. So this G indicates work. Next kanji is the kanji of koe. This is the kanji of koe, which means voice. So human voice is koe. When we say that girl has wonderful voice, okay, that girl has wonderful voice, it will be kanojo wa utsukushii koe ga arimasu. Kanojo wa utsukushii koe ga arimasu. We can use, instead of writing koe, this kanji. We can use this kanji with nakimasu and it will become nakigoe. So naki and goe is sobbing. So we will finish the kanji till here and move to the patterns. Today the pattern we are going to do is nagara. Nagara pattern is used when two actions are happening simultaneously. So it will be translated as while. And how to make nagara form with verbs is very easy. We'll just cut mas and add nagara. Suppose it is verb shimasu. We'll cut mas and add nagara. It will be shi nagara and it would mean while doing. This is the third group verb. Now with the second group verb, the rule is not different. If it is tabemasu or mimasu, we will only cut mas and add nagara. So it would become tabe nagara or mi nagara. Next is the first group verb. We have kikimasu, which means to listen. It will become kiki nagara. So let's make sentence now. If I say, while listening to music, I eat dinner. While listening to music, I eat dinner. So music is ongaku. Listening is kikimasu. Ongaku o kiki nagara. I eat dinner. Ongaku o kiki nagara ban gohan o tabemasu. Ongaku o kiki nagara ban gohan o tabemasu. So while listening will be kiki nagara. Next, what we can make a question. When you feel sleepy, what do you do? While driving, when you feel sleepy, what do you do? So you can answer, when I feel sleepy, while chewing some gum, I drive. Then you can say, while sleepy, or when I am sleepy. When I am sleepy, when I am sleepy. Sleepy is nemui. So nemui toki. When will be toki. Nemui toki gamu o kami nagara. Gamu is gum, chewing gum. O kami nagara. Unten shimasu. Unten means to drive. Shimasu. Kamimasu means to chew. So while chewing gum, I drive when I am sleepy. Next is, when I am watching television, I cook. Or while I cook, I watch television. So it will be tsukuri nagara. Can add gohan o tsukuri nagara terebi o mimasu. Next is, while listening to the talk, please take note. Okay. While listening to the talk, please take note. Notes. So while listening to the talk will be hanashi o kiki nagara. Take notes will be memo. Memo o shite kudasai. Memo is to take note. So please do notes. Or while having tea, I talk on phone. So having tea will be ocha. Ocha o nomi nagara. I talk on phone. Denwa de hanashimasu. So this is how we use the pattern nagara. Next, we have already done the form of the verb plus imasu. This is also used to show the state. So let's revise that. If I want to say some continuous verb, continuous action, that will be expressed while using the form plus imasu. So if I am going for a walk every day, I am doing jogging every day, I can say watashi wa mai asa jogging o shimasu. So jogging o shite imasu. It means the effort of going to jogging is still continuing. I am still doing the jogging. So Mayasa, every day I'm going for jogging. Watashi wa Mayasa jogging o shite imasu. Or anything which is maybe your future plan, or maybe you have made a plan, will be represented by shite imasu. Or someone may ask you, what is your plan for the vacation? So Yasumi no hi wa. What do you do usually on the holidays? Yatsumi no hi wa itsumo nani o shimasu ka? Yasumi no hi is holiday. So on holidays, itsumo, always, it means, and nani o shimasu ka, what do you do? So you can say your plan, this shite imasu. Next sentence we can make is, see, so this te plus imasu is showing the state. So someone may ask, so what do you do exactly when it is a holiday? So Yasumi no hi nani o shite imasu ka? It means what you usually do on holiday. So you can say, I usually be at home and paint. So usually is taitei uchi ni imasu. So usually I'm at home. So shite e o kakimasu, or e o kaite imasu. I'm usually doing painting. Next we can make a sentence about, so what program you usually watch every night? Maiban donna bangumi o mimasu ka? Mimasu ka. There mimasu will change into mite imasu ka. So what is the usual thing you watch in the night? So you can say news ya dorama o mimasu. News ya dorama o mite imasu. So this mite imasu, te imasu is showing what you usually do, or what is that is the state. Next we are going to do the pattern mo, shi, mo. It is the pattern just opposite to va, ga, va. So in va, ga, va we were using one topic which was just the opposite of another topic. So it was positive where another was negative. So this was acting as a but in mo, shi, mo, either both are negative or both are positive. So this is how we use mo, shi, mo. We can say I like coffee as well as tea. So we can say kohi mo suki da shi ocha mo suki da. So kohi mo suki da shi ocha mo suki da. It means I like coffee as well as I like tea. Next we can make another sentence about some fruit. Maybe in India mango is cheap also and tasty also. So mango is mango. Mango wa oishii. Shi yasui desu. So here also we can use she. So next we are going to do the pattern which is used with she. It can be used with the dictionary form of verb or the adjectives. So when we are saying I'll go to Japan and my friend will also go. So I'll go to Japan will be watashi wa Nihon e iku shi tomodachi mo Nihon e iku. So here she is and, but it also means to positive. So she is used for connection of to positive or to negative. So both the side of the sentence has to be in the same nature. So if I want to say India has the mango and mango is here cheap as well as tasty. Mango, Indian mangoes are cheap and tasty. So instead of saying and, we can use as well as. So it will be Indo no mango wa oishii shi yasui desu. Indo no mango wa oishii shi yasui desu. Or if we want to go and buy some vegetables, we can say here it is cheap also and fresh also. So koko no yasai wa nedan mo yasui shi nedan mo yasui shi shinsen desu. Shinsen is fresh. Or we can say this pattern is also used as mo, she, mo. So both the subject can take mo particle instead of wa particle. So you can say watashi mo watashi wa kohi mo suki da shi ocha mo suki desu. So here kohi mo suki da ocha mo suki desu. So we can connect it with she because both the adjective to describe ocha and kohi is suki. So I like coffee as well as tea. So mo she mo pattern will be used in this way. we can finish the class till here today. We can continue in the next class. Thank you.